When you walk in one of the doors of the suite, the first door, you have your safe initially behind the door. You have a shelf above it, and next to this you have the wardrobe where you'll find your robes, a good bit of space to hang clothes, and an ironing board. Across from here you have the main bathroom. Here you have a sink, and you've got lots of little knickknacks here. I always love opening these things and seeing what's inside. Here we have some cotton buds and a cotton pad. We've got some soap and some body lotion. Let's see what is in here. Razor kit, comb, dental kit, emery board, sanitary towels, shower cap, your shaver's mirror, your shaving sockets, and what's in here? Your hair dryer, another drawer. You have your toilet, a telephone, a shower with some shampoo, shower gel and body lotion, and you have a bath. Here we have some bath salts. Okay, let's head on into the bedroom. We have the TV, which is in a nice case. That's kind of handy if you want to just close it up and pretend it's not there. This is the bed. The bed was really comfortable. Next to the bed you have two sets of switches. You have all the different ones for the room. Honestly, you need like a manual for this room, but they did show us how to work everything in the room. Heading into the living room area, you have a desk, some nice chocolates and complimentary water. This is the second bathroom. It's basically just a toilet and a sink, but handy when there's a few people staying in a room together. And then this here is the main living room area. You have a nice widescreen TV, a huge sofa that is comfy enough to sleep on. Down here we have some fruit that came complimentary, and every day they would give us fresh flowers. Here you have a gift that they left for my son, and they had made up this little bed here for him, which was nice. Over here you have the tea and coffee beside the TV, and you have a selection of teas, coffees. If you need more milk, just ask your cleaner or your room attendant and they'll get that for you. Below this you have your fridge, and this here is the view that we had from our room. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.